Emily lived alone in a quiet New Jersey suburb. Every night before bed, she checked her doorbell camera, just a habit. One night at 2:17 a.m., the camera turned on by itself. A man was standing at her door, looking exactly like her husband. The same husband who had died in a car crash 3 years ago. He leaned close to the camera and whispered, "Let me in, they sent me back." Terrified, Emily called the police. Officers arrived within minutes. No one was outside. The next morning, they told her something strange. That night, in the entire neighborhood, only her camera had activated. But the scariest part, the last frame of the footage shows her front door slowly opening from the inside. Emily swears she never touched the lock. So the question is, who opened the door?